technology is always a solution in the crisis. So technology will be really handy. There are multiple areas in which this technology would be adopted. One area is in the conduction of admission tests. The other area where technology definitely will play a most important role is in the learning space.
For online education to really become mainstream and enroll, millions of students rather than hundreds of thousands of students, we need to have online degrees that are accredited by the various agencies.
My message to all the students and the higher education stakeholders is we need to double our efforts in this time in order to sustain and keep our economy afloat.
In India, we have to look at technology and education 4.0 as actually providing education to the uneducated, people who are not getting quality education.
Education 3.0 was nothing but technology driven. This is now going to be a permanent feature and is now going to figure in all the teaching learning activities of times to come.
Welcome students, a real welcome to you all on this career counseling webinar for you, organized in association with College Dunia. I, Yugam Chaturvedi, I the Director General of CPJ College of Higher Studies and School of Law, take this opportunity to give a key start to the webinar today. And of course, Ms. Garima would take it over once the technical thing at her end is being taken care of. And that way. Yeah, students, welcome to the webinar. As it's being said, and I can very well understand, my dear students, unimaginable times that we have all been going through, and still the time is not still over. I'm talking about none but COVID times. Especially you as students, you had given your exams, rather have been promoted. And after that, again, the class 12, very important juncture of your life, and the very important examination of your life, you have again got through without sitting for the exams and still waiting for your results. Naturally, I can feel very strongly on this कि ये सारा जो इस तरह का समय है, ये आपके अंदर एक anxiety, एक apprehension. These all things would be, these all things will be taking birth at the back of your mind. And during this time, आप इस तरह के turmoil से गुजर रहे हैं, एक बहुत ही important decision भी आपको साथ-साथ ही करना है, simultaneously करना है, that what course you have to pick after class 12. A very, very important decision, my dear students. A very important decision because your complete career, your complete coming life, your all comforts that you'll be making in your complete coming life would rest and depend on your decision of studying what and from which college. The two things: study what course and studying that course from which college. So these two things are simultaneously two very important anchor sheets of your decision, which would kind of give you the platform to make your career and do it and be successful in your life. So very frankly speaking, CPJ College of Higher Studies and School of Law, we are an affiliated Guru Gobind Singh IP University College, approved by the Bar Council of India. And we are a college which has initiated the start of free counseling webinars, career counseling webinars, to give you kind of a platform to understand what course to pick from and how to go ahead with that, how to search ahead, etc., etc. So I, as the Director General of the college, take the responsibility of sharing certain facts with you. Frankly speaking, I consider, my dear students, ये इस समय आप जहाँ पर खड़े हुए हैं, ये एक चौराहा है, एक बहुत important life का crossroad है. Crossroad in the sense, as you are going and you come across a traffic light, there are 4 roads going, one left, right, one straight, and one you're coming from. You take the left, you go straight, or you take the right. It all depends on that where it would be leading you to. आपने एक decision already ले चुके हो बच्चों, which you took after the class 10, wherein you kind of worked out that you have to take the road of arts, the road of commerce, or you have to take the road of sciences. So today, having done that for 2 years, now you would be more sure of the fact that further where you have to go, what to do after class 12, discovering your opportunities that exist for you after your class 12. So my dear students, let me talk in precise and in more conclusive thing that what exactly are the courses that we could be offering you, which would really lay platforms, lay foundations for a beautiful career ahead for you. I'll talk about our college, CPJ College of Higher Studies and School of Law. We have two verticals with us, my dear students. One, we call it as the MCIT vertical. MCIT stands for Management, Commerce and IT. Under the Management, we have the BBA course. Under the Commerce, we have the BCom Honors course. And under the IT, we have the BCI course. And of course, a course which is being run by only two colleges of IP University, one being us, is the BBA CAMP course. It's a combine of, you can say, BCA and BBA, wherein half the subjects are that of management and half are that of IT. So like you come out having read both the things and you are quite multi-skilled as a result. And the other stream, the other vertical that our college has is the School of Law, which is on two courses, BA LLB and BBA LLB. My faculties, my colleagues would be definitely through the slides and through PowerPoint presentations about how these courses are to be applied for, what are the criteria for it, what are the eligibilities for it, what are the career options for it, so that you are doubly sure at the back of your mind that when you are making a decision, you are absolutely confident of the fact that of course you have made a sound decision, you have made the right decision. And we at CPJ College stand next to that having made that decision, we would dare to make your decisions come true by giving you and imparting the right learning, the right education to be learned, the right teaching to be imparted with you for these all courses. So students, as you are aware, we are an IP University affiliated college, so no doubt for your law courses, it's imperative and important and compulsory for you to sit for CLAT examination. And of course, the CLAT exam date is the 23rd of July, the registration of which has already since happened and they closed on the 15th of June. तो जिन बच्चों ने ऑलरेडी क्लैट के लिए अप्लाई कर चुके रजिस्टर कर चुके हैं उनको यूनिवर्सिटी में अप्लाई करना होगा, रजिस्टर करना होगा लॉ कोर्सेज के लिए, ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन सबमिट करनी होगी आईपी यूनिवर्सिटी में टू बी एलिजिबल टू बी पार्ट ऑफ एनी ऑफ द लॉ कोर्स. And simultaneously for the MCIT courses in management, commerce and IT, we will be having the eligibility other than your 50% exam law and non-law courses. The other eligibility for non-law courses, date of which last is the 15th of July for registration. Based on these dates, and of course, these dates would remain. My colleagues would talk in details about everything. I would only say one thing, that we have initiated free for you. And of course, with these complete ideology is to make you understand that how you can discover your career options after your class 12. Since we understand you sitting with all the COVID precautions still going on, all the preventive measures still to be followed strongly, we can understand that you are homes, your respective homes, etc., etc. And as a result of that, we can jolly well understand that it would not be that free for you to come down and be there and look at etc. to kind of confirm your own decision at the back of your mind that yeah, you have taken the right decision. These free career counseling webinars would be there for you, my dear students, to make your different courses which exist for you, which are being run in our college, and of course you can aspire and you can dream for that, and we'll make your dreams come true. For that, we have initiated free CET and CLAT coaching. My teammates would be sharing the links and all that with you, wherein you can register for the CT coaching or the CLAT coaching. And as we have CLAT on the 23rd of July, we would continue with free CLAT coaching on the 23rd of July, and you can register for that. Simultaneously, you can register for the coaching also. The date, though, of the CT examination is still to be given by the university, and any day that date should be coming in. So, students, I would say, see, and of course, I believe in it very strongly. Seeing is believing in the sense that have a taste of our college. Come visit us. Have a feel of it. It's not a one-day course. It's not a 1 week or even a 1 year certification. It's a 3-year undergraduate degree course for your non-law programs and a 5-year integrated course for your BA and LB law programs. So it is wherein you have 5 years. And as a result, I would say that no doubts about the place. You need to know the place. You need to know the infrastructure. You need to be able to understand what would it be. So my students, this is what I had to say. One thing I can commit as Director General of the College of Higher Studies and School of Law, that once you come to our college, once you visit our college, once you have registered for any of the course of our college, we would be there for you in all ways, in all streams to kind of help you out in making your decisions come true, in making you succeed in your CT and CLAT examinations. And once you have joined our college, to absolutely ensure that the stay in your college would be a period of learning. ये जो आप यहाँ पर रुकेंगे इस कॉलेज में यहाँ पर सीखेंगे, आपकी जो एक लर्निंग रहेगी जो पिछले 1 साल से तो ऑनलाइन लर्निंग ही चल रही है, अब हो सकता है कुछ दिनों और कंटिन्यूड रहे. We are waiting for the government's directives, but till that time online learning is there, we would be doing it brilliantly as we have done in the last more than 1 year with our students. And of course, we shall be doing it in the offline, which is the way, the real teaching mode, once we resume back to the offline classroom teaching back in the college campus. So students, aspire for the best, and we are there for you to, taste that best. This is for sure. I, Yugandhar Chaturvedi, as the Director General of CPJ College of Higher Studies and School of Law, vow and commit on this that anybody once a part of the CPJ family relishes that decision, is always in fact, proud to say oneself to be a CPJ for all times to come. And this is what I have realized, I have faced with all the students who had been here right from the day one when the orientation program happens to the day which is the farewell day of theirs, their 3-year stay or their 5-year stay, and post that as an alumni, their continuity of relationship with the college, that remains on, and that remains on most beautifully. So students, with this feel, my best of luck to you for the coming times. Best of luck for your 12th class exams. A real best of luck for your CET or CLAT examinations. And I'm pretty sure of it, once you have shaken hands with CPJ College, these all things would be in absolute beautiful realities when it comes to taking the right decisions, traversing through those decisions. क्योंकि सिर्फ right decision ना ही महत्ता की बात नहीं होती, उससे ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण बात होती है कि उस decision को लेकर के उस decision को आगे आप किस तरह से carry on करते हैं अपने एक right career path के लिए. I would say, conclude with this, this would be a time of learning for you, as everybody is a tech savvy person these days. तो बच्चों इस बात को अच्छी तरह से समझना कि जिस तरह से एक कंप्यूटर में, एक लैपटॉप में आप जब खरीद के लाते हैं उसके अंदर कुछ फीड नहीं होता, आप ही उसके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ फीड करते हैं कि आपने MS ऑफिस डाला, आपने उसमें X डाला, Y डाला, सॉफ्टवेयर एजेंट डाले, उसके अंदर आप फाइल्स अपलोड करने लगे. जब आप कुछ निकालना चाहते हैं, एक्सट्रैक्ट करना चाहते हैं, वही निकल सकता है मेरे बच्चों जो उसमें ऑलरेडी फेड है. आज गूगल में भी आप कुछ टाइप करेंगे तो गूगल में जो जो चीजें जा चुकी होंगी वही कुछ निकलेगा. अदरवाइज दे विल से देयर इज नो आंसर टू इट, एंड दिस इज व्हाट. So tomorrow, when you'll start implementing, whether having learned law or as a management student, when you would be wishing to become a management guru or a professional with a corporate or an IT wizard after having done your BCA or a financial expert after having done your commerce or a law professional, a legal fraternity, part of legal fraternity after having done your BLLB or BBLLB. One thing is for sure, when you will start picking up your job, when you start delivering on the path of your jobs, you would only be able to deliver what is already existent in you. वो स्टफ को आपको अच्छी तरह से अपने अंदर डालना है, क्योंकि उसी स्टफ को एक्सट्रैक्ट करके आप उसे इम्प्लीमेंटेशन की तरफ ले जाते हैं when you start working. Of course, keeps adding on with it, but the base of it remains that it is like this. If your foundation is very strong, you can add as many stories as you want in your future. So this is where CPJ College would lay that foundation for you, that strong foundation for you, and definitely that foundation would make your career story go to great heights, and sky would be the limit. Thank you, my dears, and hoping to remain with you, and of course with the commitment that we stand there to help you out in any of your decisions, and of course to give those decisions a real truth for in yours and in your life. Thank you so much, and over to Miss Garima. I'm pretty sure I can see the smile of yours that
yes,
the technical glitch is being taken. Please, over to Miss Garima, please. Thank you,
audible?
students. Thank you so much. Yes, ma'am.
I'm audible, sir.
Yeah, Miss Garima, you are.
At times, technology always, give you a tough time, and it tells you that machines are at times becoming most powerful, and it can easily give you distress. Okay, let's continue. As Yugang sir our Director General has already addressed you students regarding who we are and what courses we are, initiating in our college. We are having it since 2007. I will take you to the tour of landing page, which is being actually designed by our college, in for the students, which has actually been designed by our college for the students. For the students East. And it is very important that whenever the admission process takes place, हमें कभी-कभी बहुत problems or difficulties हो जाती हैं to sort it out. So let's have a look on the landing page of our CPJ college, जहाँ पे आपको admissions related हर information you can easily access. I request Ms. Bhumika to kindly share the screen, please. So students, as we know that our college got established in 2007 and it was affiliated with Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. 2007 से हम अपना college की हमने शुरुआत की, and wherein we are offering 3 years undergraduate courses in BBA, BBA CAM, BCA, BCom Honors, and 5 years integrated courses in BLLB and BBLLB. Students, we have the enrollment of 2,500 plus students and 100 plus faculty and staff members, which are working day by day for the upliftment and holistic development of students. हमारे यहाँ more than 1,000 distinguished guests have attended the seminars, workshops, because we ensure that students' practical knowledge will be inculcated only when you'll get the experiences, and experiences only come from the persons who are renowned in their own field. So there are 1,000 plus distinguished guests who have attended our seminars, workshops, and various events, which includes government officials, which includes luminaries from judicial world. Not only that, we have conducted more than 1,000 industrial and academic visits. With this brief, let's have a very small campus tour and connectivity, that how it is easy to reach to our college and to visit our campus. So over to you, Bhumika. Please share the video with all of us. So this is our campus tour. This is our college, which is being situated in our lush green environment of Narela. We have a huge auditorium in which wherein we conduct our national and international events. And अगर हम अपने इवेंट्स की बात करें तो हर साल हम मैनेजमेंट में मार्केटेक इवेंट कंडक्ट करते हैं और हर साल हम लॉ में लुई फिएस्टा कंडक्ट करते हैं wherein the students from pan India participate. ये इवेंट स्टूडेंट्स इसलिए होते हैं जिसके अंदर हम स्टूडेंट्स को प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज देने के लिए we actually train them accordingly, and there are a lot of events which is there in the Marketech and Louis Fiesta, like your business plans, like your moot court competition, your content writing, your legal writing, because we understand this thing that it is very, very important for you to have the practical knowledge with the conceptual knowledge. Now, Ms. Bhumika will share the connectivity with all of us, that how it is easy to reach to our college, because जब हम बात करते हैं ma'am, I can easily enroll to this college, but what facilities you are providing, what connectivity facilities you are providing to us, or which nearby bus routes or metros are there. So just have a look over there. Student हम more than 10 bus routes चलाते हैं all over Delhi and Delhi NCR with the nominal amount. जब भी आपकी physical classes होंगी, you can easily, there is no issue of reaching to our college. Apart from that, we are having a 15 minutes drive from Jahangirpuri metro station, 20 minutes drive from Rohini, Pitampura and other parts of North Delhi and West Delhi. We have metro feeder buses near Narela and Jahangirpuri metro stations, which is running through. Also, the DTC bus routes. अगर हम बात करें तो आप जैसे ही कॉलेज के गेट से बाहर निकलेंगे, you can easily fetch a DTC bus also. So this is all about the connectivity part. I will not tell you that whether you should choose this institute or choose some or the other institute, but it is very important while choosing something, and especially that particular path of your life which can actually change your life towards 360 degree. क्योंकि अगर हम सही करियर चूज नहीं करेंगे, सही इंस्टीट्यूट, सही फाउंडेशन चूज नहीं करेंगे, then it will be a great gamble, it will be a big gamble for all of us. So what are the top 5 reasons that you should choose or join CPJ College, which you cannot, what we are offering which other institutes are not offering? So let's have a look on that. The first and the foremost thing, the state of the art infrastructure. हमारे classroom से लेकर, auditorium से लेकर, from our computer labs, from our libraries, we have structured our infrastructure in that manner, which is beneficial for these students. Wherein students can able to learn and grab with ease. So we have our air conditioned infrastructure. Not only that, हम ये ensure करते हैं कि students को अगर एक ऐसा environment मिलता है जहाँ पे वो comfortably अपनी growth के concentrate कर पाए towards the growth, वो infrastructure will definitely help the students to grow in future. So that infrastructure we provide. Apart from that, it is always important, my lovely audience, that practical based teaching methodology and industrial oriented curriculum we have. In every semester, we ensure that the students should inculcate practical knowledge along with the conceptual knowledge, because life में concepts एक base create करते हैं, but जैसे ही आपको practical knowledge मिलती है, they always give you a path towards achievement. तो base के साथ हम वो path भी provide करते हैं, so that you can easily go through the things, and once you'll be reaching the corporate world after 3 years in management, commerce and IT courses, and after 5 years once you'll be completing the law, you can able to crack everything in the corporate world easily. We have a vibrant campus life for the holistic development. We always believe this thing, this is our mission, that we should not concentrate only on the education part. We should work on the holistic development. That is, अगर मेरे अंदर एक क्रिएटिविटी है तो उसे बाहर निकालने का मौका CPJ कॉलेज देता है. And we have a lot of clubs who actually work together towards the upliftment of these students, and even the student volunteer participate in those clubs so that other students can able to win over their fear of not talking, or can win over the self-confidence and the brush up and nourish their creativity skills. We have a global exposure through unique study in abroad program. We conduct a lot of excursion program internationally, jahan pe we send students for the exchange programs for 3 to 4 days, affiliated to the one of the renowned universities in different countries. And wahan se they can get the certification, because for that 5 days program they understand what is the teamwork, they understand how to work in diverse cultural diversity. Everything will be trained in that programs. And most importantly, if I am pursuing undergraduate course, after 3 years and 5 years down the line, I need to go through the placement, and I want a good job, and we provide the excellent placement opportunities for you. Not only that, in these 3 years and 5 years, we train you in that manner so that you're cracking a placement, cracking an interview will be very easy for you. Moving ahead, we have 14 years of academic excellence in the field of law, management and IT commerce. We have ranked 1 amongst the Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University in best colleges ranking surveys. If I talk about the pandemic time, if I talk about that during the COVID time, COVID-19, everything was into, e-learning methodology came in picture, and everybody was in full of doubt that how the education will take place, how the new education pattern will be adapted by the educational institute. We ensured that the education of the student should not suffer. During the pandemic also, which took place in 2020, March 2020, we ensured कि किसी भी semester की online classes बंद ना हो. We started conducting the online classes, tutorials. We conducted the online webinars, workshops, guest lectures and conferences for our students. Not only that, our GRC cell got activated, and they conducted a lot of mental health seminars for the students, webinars for the students, wherein one-on-one counseling took place with the psychologist, and a lot of stress management therapies took place. Because our main motto was the mental health of the students should be, should be taken care in a at priority during the COVID times. In the last, very important thing is that this landing page link is there on your chat box. And a lot of messages will be there in your chat box regarding if you have any queries, and if you want one-on-one counseling with the experts, you can communicate. Kindly copy that chat box messages and the links for your further assistance and queries. How you can apply to our admission, if you have anything, admission query, if you have any information or anything you want to share or you want to communicate, there is an icon called Apply Now 2021. You can go over there, you can fill your details, even your message, and click on the secure a seat. So this is the landing page which has been created because of your students' audience, so that they can easily work on the admission, and every admission details will be there, from related to IPU University, CET clad information will be there, the notices, everything, whatever you want for the admission 2021, that will be there in this landing page. So this is what we are, here for. Apart from that, very very important, बहुत सारे जब मैं chat box देख रही थी, जैसे ही session शुरू हुआ, as Yugang sir has already addressed about our courses, जैसे ही session शुरू हुआ, I came to know the students are very curious to know about the fee structure. Students are very curious to know about what is BBA and how it is different from other courses. So let's have a brief about what is BBA, how we have to go ahead. And for that, I would love to call, and it's my opportunity to call Miss Isha Goyal, Professor of CPT College of Higher Studies. She is the one who is associated with our college from 5 years now, and her experience in finance has benefited a lot of students. She is the one who is, her teaching pedagogy has helped the student enhancing their knowledge, especially in finance stream. So on this note, Ms. Isha, please tell to our audience that what all professional courses students can opt in management, commerce and IT. Please. Over to you.
Thank you, Ms. Garima. Just wait a minute, I'm sharing my slide.
So meanwhile, जब students जब तक ma'am address slide share कर रहे हैं, तो I will give you a very quick brief about what ma'am will be telling. So if we talk about the management, commerce and IT, 12th standard में हर बच्चे को ये doubt होता है कि मैं कौन सा course opt करूँ. तो मैं कौन सा course opt करूँ, उसकी क्या opportunities हैं. अब वो ईशा मैम हमें Miss Isha Goyal will tell us, and she will definitely tell us that what opportunities one can have that if the individual will do it. And most importantly, which I wanted to address to the audience, that every course is unique in its own area. So there is no comparison with all of the courses. There is only the uniqueness which you can take, and you can collaborate that uniqueness with your skill set which you have, and then you can choose your career. Over to you, Miss Isha.
Thank you, Ms. Garima. Good afternoon, student. I, Isha Goyal, welcome you to the Career Counseling webinar. As already enlightened by Yugang sir and Ms. Garima, that our college has two verticals. One is MCIT and one is School of Law. MCIT stands for Management, Commerce and IT Department. I would be speaking about MCIT courses, wherein management we have BBA, for commerce we have BCom, and for IT we have BCA. And for BBA CAM is the combination, or you can say it has both the traits, management and IT. So we say it's a combine of BBA and BCA, which is offered by only 2 colleges of GGS-IPU, including us. So what we are talking, like what we will talk about, like in this whole session. A decision regarding the career is one of the most important decisions, not just for the students and the parents' life as well. A right decision will affect you for a life. So for that reason, the CPJ College has taken the initiative to organize such webinar series in which you can clear all your doubts. So I'll here explain all the MCIT courses. So by this, you can select which course you want to pursue. To start with the BBA one. BBA is very important course which mostly student or many students choose after class 12. Why it is so? Because there are more job avenues and more career option after completing BBA. So here, let us see what exactly the BBA is. BBA is a 3-year undergraduate program in business management, and it is open for all the students. Dear, you need not to understand कि मैं commerce से हूँ तो मैं BBA कर सकता हूँ, मैं science से हूँ तो मैं BBA नहीं कर सकता. It is not like that. Any student with any stream, either it is a science, art or commerce, everybody can go for BBA course. So there is no classroom, not only classroom teaching, we focus on the 360-degree improvement of the student. So here we go for the industry visit. There will be industry experts who will let you know all the challenges and the solution with the problem actually faced by the businessmen or to the employees. So actually we work on all the things, case studies, industry visit, industry seminars, and many more. So we work on the 360-degree of the student. This is BBA CAM, as told by, as I have explained you earlier also, that BBA CAM is a combination of this BBA and BCA. The student who are aspirant of doing management degree with very good computer knowledge or with very good IT skills, these students should opt for BBA CAM. It is also any student can join it, no issues in that. Any stream student can join the same. So जिन students की बहुत ज़्यादा strong स्ट्रॉन्ग इंक्लिनेशन है कि मुझे मैनेजमेंट भी सीखना है और मुझे IT भी सीखना है, तो ये उनके लिए ज्यादा अच्छा है. And it has more job avenues. As you know, the IT sector is grooming. So if you do the combination of BBA and this IT, then there will be more options for you. Jaise, for example, you can become the manager of a IT company after doing BBA camp. Let's look at some of the avenues. Some of the career option after completing BBA. You can go for the marketing organizations. You can go for the advertising and public relation kind of jobs. Human resource jobs.
Moving.
Yes, sir.
Your slides are not moving. आपकी slides नहीं move कर रही हैं PPT में.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It's now moving, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes,
so
moving now,
these are
please.
the career. Thank you, sir. These are the career option which a person can adopt or opt after the BBA. You can go for the marketing organizations. Say, for example, if you dream about I want to become a marketing manager or marketing head of some organization, so you can start your career in marketing. Then there is advertising and PR, HR, banks, insurance. You can become the entrepreneur also. You can you can go for the international careers, or you can join some MNCs, sales and IT sector, and much more. After BBA, there are n number of jobs. Next, we will cover BCom. So BCom, though it is called as tried and tested course, that it already people know about it, and many of the university and colleges are providing this course. So what is it exactly? It is what it give you in-depth knowledge of accounting, taxation, economic, finance kind of subjects, wherein if you in layman language, if we say that the people who like the numbers, और आपको बहुत इंटरेस्ट है कॉमर्स वाले सब्जेक्ट्स में, अकाउंटिंग में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है, ऑडिटिंग बहुत अच्छा लगता है, या आपका इकोनॉमिक्स की तरफ बहुत इंटरेस्ट है, तो आप बीकॉम के लिए जा सकते हैं. What is our USP of BCom? Why you should go for BCom from CPJ college? As a student, you must have n number of options of different colleges, universities. So why you take it from CPJ? There is a strong reason behind it. We actually focus on the practical exposure, more of the practical exposure. Say, for example, if you're learning a subject, so you will also understand the practical application of these subjects. Then we have more of the personality development session here, more of workshops and seminars, and now in this scenario we regularly conducting webinars for the students. तो वो आपको इंडस्ट्री से एक्सपर्ट्स आएंगे और आपको अलग अलग वेबिनार्स में बताएंगे कि किस तरीके से आप डील करेंगे एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम्स को. इंडस्ट्री एक्सपोजर, एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट इज अ करियर बेस फॉर फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर. जो भी बच्चे चाहते हैं कि आगे CA करें या CS करें या CFA जैसे करियर को ले, तो उस केस में जो बीकॉम है आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन की तरह काम करता है. दीज आर द करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज आफ्टर बीकॉम. यू कैन सी फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर, एज आई टोल्ड यू, CA, CS, CFA कोर्सेज यू कैन गो. MBA और MCom दोनों ऑप्शन ओपन हो जाते हैं आपके पास अगर आप बीकॉम में ग्रेजुएशन है तो. और हमारे पास कुछ ऐसे वाले देखिए राइट साइड पे जो प्रोफाइल्स मेंशन है, फाइनेंशियल रिस्क मैनेजर, फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग, इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग, सर्टिफाइड फाइनेंशियल प्लानर. सो दीज आर दी प्रोफाइल्स बच्चा जो आप जैसे बीकॉम बाद कुछ आप शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्सेज अगर ले सकते हैं, अगर वो लेते हैं तो उससे आपकी पैकेज में बहुत डिफरेंस आ जाएगा, तो आपके पैकेजेस बहुत हाई हो जाएंगे. सी फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू टेक फाइनेंशियल रिस्क मैनेजर टाइप ऑफ प्रोफाइल, सो उसके अंदर क्या है कि आपको 6 to 19 वीक्स का ट्रेनिंग है और उसके बाद यू कैन गेट अ बेटर सॉल्यूशंस. So so after BCom we have the last or the important thing is IT. So IT में we have BCA for you. तो जो students who are inclined towards coding, जिनको coding अच्छा लगता है, जिनको languages learn करना अच्छा लगता है, they can go for that BCA. Just a second. So BCA के लिए आप जा सकते हैं. उसके बाद एक सेकेंड, ये स्लाइड्स कुछ एक टेक्निकल है, लेट मी शेयर इट. Sorry for the interruption because it was some technical error. Let's start with BCA. So the learning from BCA degree is quite at par with BTech and BE degree in computer science और IT. अगर आपको लगता है हमें BTech करना है या BE in computer science या IT करना है या BCA करें, अगर कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो जो लर्निंग आउटकम्स हैं वो ऑलमोस्ट आपको मतलब BCA से कंपैटिबल मिलेंगे जो आप BBA में BTech में लर्न करेंगे. These are some of the career option after BCA. So you know that IT industries is always booming. तो booming side पे है तो बहुत सारे career option है. You can go for system engineer kind of job. You can go for the programmer. You can go for the web developer, system administrator, software developer या information system manager, database administrator या security analyst. So these are some of the career option which you can choose after BCA program. This is the most important slide which I want to highlight here because as per India Today MDRA Best Emerging Colleges ranking survey 2021 जो अभी latestly publish हुआ है उसके according we ranked number 1 among the BCA colleges of GGS IP University, first among the BCA College of Delhi and 5 among the top BCA colleges of all India. Then we have this teaching pedagogy or you can say e-learning at CPJ. Why I'm saying e-learning? Because in this semester everything has gone online. So please trust me that there was no challenge with CPJ to run everything in online method. We have done case studies online, we have done industry visits online, we have done placements online, we done all the workshops, seminars online. So next is placement, which is very close to everybody's heart here. Everybody here wants to know what is the placement at CPJ. So just check it out. Some glimpses of our placement drives. These are the companies which actually visited us every year. Wipro, Concentric, Godrej, Amazon, Genpact. You can check all these companies has visited us for the last years. And some of the students who are placed with the leading corporates, so you can see their names and the profiles where they are working. These are the you can say the alumni of CPJ who are taking our name like in the leading corporates. These are some of the placement drive and internship drive which was happened in online way. Online placement and internship drives हमारी जो हुई हैं उसकी कुछ glimpses we are sharing with you. And these are some of the offer letters which a candidate get on the appointment. So this was all about the MCIT courses, the BBA, BCA, BCom and BCA. Now we are United stand here for you all. If you have any queries, any doubt, please contact us. Our contact information is shared in chat box. You can contact us or you can visit us. आप कॉलेज आके पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं, किसी भी टाइम आ सकते हैं. मंडे टू संडे वी आर ओपन, 10 to 5 वी आर ओपन. आप किसी भी दिन कॉलेज आके पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं. अगर आपको अभी कोई डाउट है कि मुझे कौन सा कोर्स करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए, तो उसके लिए भी वी हैव द एक्सपर्ट्स इन द कॉलेज. आप कॉलेज विजिट कीजिए और हमारी कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स शेयर हैं, आप उन पर कॉल कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. ओवर टू यू गरिमा.
Thank you, Ms. Isha. And as Ms. Isha said, that my upcoming managers, in order to become a successful manager, it is very important to have a strong foundation. And for this, you need to choose a very right institution. Let's see the glimpses of internships and placements of management, commerce, and IT department, which we conduct in our college with our, semester-wise according to the student subject. So let's have that, the placements and internship glimpses. And for that, I request Ms. Bhumika to kindly share the video with all of us, please. Thank you, Ms. Bhumika, for this lovely video which you have shown it. To put a more light onto it, I request our Director General, Mr. Yugang Chaturvedi, to kindly address the gathering. Sir is associated with CPJ College from now 9 years now, and has a very rich experience in the academics. And because of that, the students are really benefited with his experience and knowledge which he has gained in the 3 decade, when he was involved in corporate industry for 3 decades. So over to you, Yugang sir.
Yeah, already as such spoken. That's why would feel that I'm back again. Would like to say one thing, my dear students, as we were just seeing the placement and internship drives, the slides of the same and a small PPT. One thing I would like to share with you, my dear students. Since I'm very closely associated with the placement and the internships at the CPJ College, whether it is the MCIT, Management, Commerce and IT students placements and internships, or be it the law ones, I'm very closely associated, so know it in and out and would love to share it with you. I'm audible, Ms. Garima?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I would say, my dear students, consistency is very important in life. And when you talk about consistency, I'll give you an example. Like when you talk about the legends, there's a word called legends. Legends हैं जो कि आपके pillars होते हैं. आप चाहे आप उसे cricket, politics में बोलिए, चाहे आप किसी भी stream में बोलिए, there will be certain people who are called the pillars, who are called absolutely the legends of their time, which means they had so many people around them who were, absolutely contemporaries थे उनके, परंतु they excelled above all, and that is representing a decade. For example, मैं इस बात को बहुत आसान कर देता हूँ. आज अगर क्रिकेट की बात करें, आज विराट कोहली है, कल आपका सचिन तेंदुलकर थे, उससे पहले कपिल देव थे, उससे पहले सुनील गावस्कर थे. So like these are legends of Indian cricket. It's not that others are not playing when they are playing. Others are also playing. At the same time, why become legends? I would say CPJ College of Higher Studies and School of Law is a legend when it comes to, giving placements and internships to its students. Because why these people, these batsmen, these cricketers could become legends? Because they gave absolute consistent performance. It's not that Tendulkar gave a century 1 or 2 innings or 1 or 3, 4 matches he played well and then he could not deliver. He delivered absolutely in consistency. Kohli delivered and has been delivered as they become absolutely what we call the pillars, the legends, the landmarks, you can say, when it comes to anything. So CPJ sharing it with the students, we stand absolutely as a pillar. We stand absolutely as the strong agent when it comes to giving our students placements and internships year by year. It's not that we gave it just not only during the online times recently, but for years we have been giving absolutely 100% internships and placements with multiple job offers. And one thing I can assure you all, my dear students, absolutely an assurance from me as the director of the college, that any student who joins our college in whatever stream, whichever course, one thing he can be rest assured of, that the day he is about to be leaving the college, which means he's through with his or her course, one thing is for sure, he or she would have a job in one's hand. And not just a job, but a lucrative, a very, very, recognizable job in hand. That is it. Yeah, Ms. Garima, I've spoken a lot. I may come back again. Let's go down to the next speaker, please. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening the gathering. Students, I want to say one more thing, that his vision towards collaborating the conceptual learning with the practical one has helped a lot of students in inculcating the self-confidence and zeal to bring the change in their life towards better future. And not only that, students, I also wanted to tell you one thing, that the quiz link will be there on your chat box. You can copy that link to the browser and you can attempt that quiz side by side. The participant who will able to crack all the answers and who will able to attempt at first go, the first come first, the winners will get the Paytm voucher. So grab this opportunity, because this will increase your pocket money and you can easily buy what you're dreamt for. So moving ahead, now it's my opportunity to call the another speaker. We had a lot of information about कि हाँ management, commerce और IT courses में क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, and which I told you in the beginning itself कि सब courses में कोई comparison नहीं है, but हर course में एक uniqueness है. So we have that another course which is booming day by day, and it is very much into the interest factors of today's youth, is the course which I'll be telling you, that will be BLLB and BBLLB. For this, students, it's my opportunity to welcome Ms. Divya Kataria, the professor, CPG School of Law. She is the one who is having the she is associated with CPJ more than 3 years now and having the rich experience in litigation of criminal cases. Ma'am is presently handling the placements and internship cell of CPJ College and working tremendously towards the students' placement and internships, and students are benefiting with her rich knowledge and experience in the law field. And I must tell you that during the COVID time, we ensured that 10th semester students, every 10th semester student should be able to get the placement internships in the law firms, and we did that with those flying colors. On this note, let's understand that what are the various career opportunities after doing law. Over to you, Ms. Divya.
Thank you, Ms. Garima.
Meanwhile, when Ms. Divya is sharing her screen, yes, over to you.
Thank you, students, for giving me this opportunity. As students, you all are thinking about what to do law. So, dear student, I, Divya Kataria, welcome you all in Career Counseling webinar, as my colleague has already conveyed you about the management, commerce and IT courses and career opportunities. Now, I would like to take you and tell you about the law courses which runs in our college, that is BLLB and BBLB. As from the very first slide, you can see that we have constantly ranked first amongst the GGS IPU college by the ranking survey of the week Outlook India Today competition success. And I would also like feel pride in sharing you that in the first published of July 2021 issue of India Today, CPJ School of Law is being ranked second amongst all the law colleges of GGS IPU and third amongst the top law colleges in Delhi. As my colleague Ms. Isha Cohen has already apprised you about the career counseling webinar. Now, I would like to share about the law courses and the career opportunity that we have in the law courses. As our college offers two courses, that is BLLB and BBLLB. As such, bacha, there is no difference between BA and BBLLB. The only difference which occurs over here in BLLB, where in the initial 2 years of your course, you will be studying art subject, that is your pol science, political science, economics, history and sociology, along with the subjects of law. Whereas if we talk about BBLLB, in the initial 2 years, you will be teaching here the management subject. That is your management business subject along with the law subject. And now, once we enter to the 3rd year, that is our 5th semester, in both the curriculum, the subjects are same. So there is no difference between BA and BBA. Now, why to choose BA and BBA? As there was a diversified career opportunities are there, you can become your own independent lawyer. You can associate yourself with a renowned, reputed law firms, senior advocates, and that can only be done once you enroll yourself with the Bar Council of Delhi. And the Bar Council of Delhi is an authority which gives you the certificate for practice. So, Bar Council, the moment you complete your 5 year of integrated course, you are supposed to get yourself enrolled with the BCD, and the BCD will provide you a certificate of practice. Then only you can start your practice either as independently or you can establish your law firm, or else you can join the senior reputed advocates. And those who don't want to join litigation, for them, they can join the government as well as private sectors as their legal advisor. Like we come across that X company is hiring a legal advisor, so you can go over there also. Plus, after completing your degree, that is your 5 year course, you will be having better opportunities in law as well as in the business sectors. Now, moving to the next, what all opportunities you have over here after completing your 5 year course, either it is BA or it is BBA. You can become a judicial officer. The moment you complete your graduation, that is 5 year course of your BA and BBA LLB, that is integrated, you can fill a form for Delhi Judiciary or any state judiciary exam. Once you qualify the prelims and mains, you will be appointed as a judicial officer. Plus, you have the jobs in the government jobs also. We have come across that DDA is impaneling someone, NCD is impaneling advocates. So these are there certain other government sectors which are impaneling the advocates. Next, that is the advocates and lawyers. As I already told you, once आप अपना law complete करके you got enrolled with Bar Council of Delhi, they will provide you the COP, that is called Certificate of Practice. You can start your litigation as a lawyer. If next the opportunity is the research assistance. The research assistance means एक तरह से law खत्म करने के बाद जब आप बहुत सारा field पढ़ लेते हैं, where the people will be asking you to write a research for them. You can assist any firms for the in the research assistance also, where you will be working for them, finding the new judgment, preparing the drafts, and giving to them. Next, as a legal advisor, you can be appointed in any of the company as a legal advisor. Either it is a private sector or it is a government sector, or even the others, MNCs also are appointing the legal advisors. Next, we have law professors. Like we all, after completing our law, we have joined the academics as a law professors. Next, we have banks legal department. In every bank, there is a sector which has been particularly dealing with the law part. So, आप लोग चाहे तो अपना law खत्म करके banks में as a legal department में वहाँ पे job कर सकते हैं, where जहाँ पे पूरा ही बैंक का लीगल साइड पे वर्कआउट करेंगे. You have the law reporters also, where you will be providing you will be writing your own judgments in your own vertex, and that will be published by SSC or any of the online things. Like we have so many online websites which has been running by the law field, so you can give your judgments over there in the view. Next is notary. We all know जब हम कोई stamp पेपर के लिए जाते हैं, वी गो फॉर द नोटरी इवन कि भैया ऐसे नोटरी कर दीजिए, इसे अटेस्ट कर दीजिए, दैट इज नोन एज नोटरी. यू कैन गो ओवर देयर आल्सो. यू कैन एक्ट एज अ बिजनेस कंसल्टेंट आल्सो, where the MNCs will be coming to your office and they will be consulting you on the legal points. Either it is MNC, Indian corporates, or any company will be coming to you and they will be taking your consultation about their business and the legal sectors. Moving to the next part, that is the course learning. If I talk about BA and BBA LLB, both the courses emphasis on the law. They understand the wide variety of context of law which we have. And plus, what we do over here is we make you understand the legal as well as the legal knowledge along with the practical as well as the theoretical knowledge, so that if a student after completing his 5 years of course, you will be able to understand what you have studied in the theory and how it implies in the practical way. So more or less, you have a strong footing to understand what is the legal profession is all about. Moving to next, that is the teaching pedagogy and e-learning. As my colleague Ms. Isha Goel has already explained you about teaching pedagogy, but now I would like to tell you about what is new we have in law courses. Like we have conducted the moot court competitions. Moot court competition basically it is a dummy procedure which we follows in a court. जो हम कोर्ट में देखते हैं कोर्ट प्रोसीडिंग उसी का डमी प्रोसीजर को हम moot court बोलते हैं, so that student can well aware about how the proceeding will be conducted. We have debate competition because for becoming a law for a law student one should be a debatable person. So हम आपके लिए वहाँ पे debate competition करते हैं. We have extempore competitions also. We have so many competitions are there. So all these competitions which we are organizing, these competitions are basically to enhance the student with the practical exposure of law profession as well as to upskill your presentation skills. Because in a law field, your presentation skills matters a lot. Moving to the next, as we all know that we have stopped our offline classes from 12th March 2020. All the teaching and learning that have shifted to online way. As CPJ strongly believes in the holistic development of their student, because CPJ never wants to that the student will be at loss even during this pandemic time. So the student for CPJ has taken this initiative of converting everything in a virtual mode. So as academic visit and 5th National Law Festival of School of Law, that is Loy Festa. This is the 5th National Law Festival which also been organized in a virtual mode. I tell you what is this Loy Festa and National Festival is all about. This festival is organized by School of Law every year, where we will be taking the different areas of law into this competition. As Ms. Garima has already explained, we have the Pan-India participant in this event where we will be conducting the moot court competition, conference, judgment writing, debate and client counseling. All these 5 events will more emphasis for the law student. Next, all such plus, apart from that, we have taken a cultural competition also on a virtual mode, so that the student not only get developed in the academics, he can uphold their skills in the co-curricular activities also. This is the slide where when the classes were taking place in an offline mode, the student has visited Supreme Court, Delhi High Court, Vidhan Sabha and Rohini Jail, etc. Why we have conducted all these visits, that is academic visit, just to make you a successful lawyer, you are required to have a practical knowledge. Because पढ़ाई की चीजों से law नहीं चलेगा. For regularizing yourself, you should need to have the practical part of that aspects. So practical aspects के लिए we are going with this visits, where you can learn the practical part of law and you can implement the same that done through all this academic visits to courts and various competitions. Next, as Ms. Garima has already told you that I will be taking care of placement and internship of CPJ School of Law. As placement and internship are the integral part of our college. Even जब ये pandemic time चल रहा था, everything which was shifted to virtual mode. Our college has also taken this initiative to conduct the placement drives of final year students through virtual modes. We are associated with these are the placement drives which we have conducted in a very recent time during this COVID-19 only. Plus, we have conducted the internship drives also for our students. These are the internship drives which has been conducted in a very recent time. Student, as we are associated with the top renowned law firms, senior advocates, LPOs, KPOs, MNCs, Indian corporate, for your internship and placement of our student. I must say, student, after you complete your 5 years of integrated course in CPJ, every student of School of Law get placed with topmost reputed law firms, senior advocates, LPOs, KPOs, and Indian corporates. These are the drives which we have conducted in a very recent time. Now, moving to the next segment. These are the certain glimpses of the offer letter which has been shared by the topmost reputed MNCs, law firms, KPOs, LPOs to our students, as so many students of ours has been selected in the various law firms. Here are certain logos of our recruiters. Law, as it has been said, it is a preferred area to study for the student after class 12, as the career opportunity has grown multifold. Not only earlier, there's only one लोग कहते थे कि लॉ करा कोर्ट में चले गए. Now, but with the passage of time, the opportunity in legal field has increased. So it has become one of the prominent area for the class 12 student to go for law. Moving to next, if we have a desire that we should respect for law, अगर हमारे मन से इच्छा है कि हम law की respect करें, उसके लिए सबसे पहले हमें law को respectable बनाना पड़ेगा. We should make certain things like that कि हाँ, we own certain respect from our own heart. As we believe, unite, we stand at CPJ. I must say, student, I assure you from my side and from the side of CPJ that once you join CPJ, your journey would be enjoyable and memorable, and leaving behind an excellent experience at CPJ College. Hope students you will be joining us, and I wish all the best to everyone. Over to you, Ms. Garima.
Thank you, Ms. Divya, for sharing the insight on law stream. As she very well said that if you want to opt for law as a profession, you need to be nurtured in the right manner. And for that, you need to have the right institution. Students, we ensure that in every event, you get an opportunity to interact with experts from legal world. So let's see the video of internship and placements of law, because we ensure that our student community should get a real-time learning with the renowned law firms and under the experts from the legal world. So let's have a video regarding that who all law firms and legal people from legal fraternity have joined hands with CPJ. Over to you, Ms. Bhumika. Please share the internship video, placement internship video of law stream. Thank you, Ms. Bhumika, for sharing the video with all of us. Thank you, Ms. Bhumika. Students, moving to the next segment, now we'll be having, and that to a last segment, wherein I'll be talking about the unique opportunities with CPJ, if you join the hands with CPJ. Before going to the last segment, there is a last opportunity for all of you to click on the quiz link. You can copy that link to the web browser and attempt the quiz questions. And if you'll be attempting all the questions, you can easily win the voucher, Paytm voucher. And now we'll be moving forward towards the question and answer round, because we have received numerous questions and numerous queries from our lovely student audience. So for that, it's my honor to request Mr. Gang Chaturvedi, Director General, to kindly address the questions of the students one by one. So the first question, which one of the students has asked, that if he is not comfortable in, if he choose one course like BBA or BCA, and somewhat he is not comfortable in doing that, is it possible to switch on to the next course in the IP University?
जिसने भी ये प्रश्न पूछा है, whosoever has raised this question, please be very clear that as our college is affiliated to GGS IP University, और यूनिवर्सिटी की इन सारी चीजों को लेकर के एक फिक्स डेट्स होती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, आप सबसे पहले सपोज आप BBA या BCA में ओवर करने की बात कर रहे हैं, तो नेचुरली आपने दोनों का CET दिया हुआ. यू कैन गिव CET एग्जाम, कॉमन एंट्रेंस टेस्ट एग्जाम फॉर मल्टी कोर्सेज, जिनके अलग अलग दिनों पर होता है. तभी कोई सा भी CET साइमल्टेनियसली उसी वक्त नहीं हो रहा होगा, so that any student may not miss the opportunity of not sitting in any other CET. क्योंकि सबकी अगर आप एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया देखें तो इज मोर और लेस द सेम. उसमें आप BBA के लिए भी एलिजिबल हो जाएंगे, आप BCA के लिए भी एलिजिबल हो जाते हैं, आप लॉ के लिए भी एलिजिबल हो जाते हैं. तो इसलिए जनरली जो आपके कॉम्पिटिटिव एंट्रेंस डेट्स होती हैं और जो टाइमिंग्स होते हैं वो ओवरलैप नहीं करते, जिससे आपको मल्टी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिले. तो एक तो सबसे पहले एलिजिबिलिटी के लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि आपने उसका कॉमन एंट्रेंस टेस्ट दिया हुआ हो. अगर सपोजिंगली किसी बच्चे ने BBA का भी दिया हुआ है और BCA का भी दिया हुआ है, आपने BCA में एडमिशन ले लिया, फाइन, एट ईयर ऑफ क्लास 12 एंड यू हैव क्वालिफाइड CET, और आपने BCA में एडमिशन ले लिया, एंड विद इन अ शॉर्ट स्पैन आप BBA में लेना चाहते हैं. अगर आपने BBA में CET क्वालिफाई किया हुआ है और उसकी भी आप 12th की एलिजिबिलिटी को मीट करेंगे, जो नेचुरली आप करेंगे अगर आप BCA की एलिजिबिलिटी को मीट कर रहे हैं. So in that case you can switch over, but within a fixed date. अगर एडमिशंस की डेट्स ही ओवर हो जाए IP यूनिवर्सिटी की, उसके बाद आपकी कोई स्विच ओवर इज नॉट पॉसिबल, एंड दैट इज द थिंग. So you would say switching over, I would not advise students. अगर आप मेरी बात माने, आप पहले ही अपने दिमाग को बहुत फर्म करिए कि आपको कौन सा कोर्स लेना है, जिससे आप बाद में इस अननेसेसरी हैसल के थ्रू ना गुजरे कि आप उसको कोर्स को आप चेंज करने के लिए आपकी डेट मिस हो गई है या एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. सो लाइक डिसाइड बिफोर यू टेक द फाइनल डिसीजन दैट व्हिच कोर्स यू हैव टू टेक. As such, you can switch over if you're meeting the eligibility of the CET, common entrance test. At the same time, in law, you have already appeared for CLAT. So this is what it is. You can do so, but within the stipulated deadline, the last date of admission as permissible by IP University. J.
The next question, which one of the students is asking, that he is interested in doing BCA, but he is asking that whether the maths and physics need to be strong for BCA or not.
Very frankly speaking, अगर मैथ्स बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग माना जाता तो फिर वेरी फ्रेंकली स्पीकिंग जो IP यूनिवर्सिटी ने इसकी एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया बनाया है कि स्टूडेंट्स फॉर BCA you need to have 50% in your best of 4 subjects of class 12, in which English is compulsory. So naturally, out of the remaining 3 subjects, जो कि आपके best of 4 में एक तो English हो ही गया, तो remaining 3 subjects हैं उसमें एक either you have maths or you have any of the computer subjects like computer applications, data management, information practices. उसके 5, 6, 7 courses हैं जो कि IP यूनिवर्सिटी ने एडमिट वो किए हुए हैं. They have already announced and notified about it. So in case maths इतना strong चाहिए होता तो maths would have been a compulsory subject like you say English. So that means, and I'm aware of it, you had need maths is not required to be of the level that you may be thinking in the back of your mind. That is it. That means somebody who did not have maths in class 12, which means somebody had maths till class 10th only. क्योंकि 10th तक तो compulsory है. अगर आपने 11th में आपके पास maths नहीं है, आप but despite not having maths and आपके पास any of the computer subjects रहे हुए हैं, eligible. And this criteria, eligibility criteria in itself suggests that any of the subject like physics or maths are not required to be of that levels that you may be thinking. They would be very much of a preliminary level, handled pretty easily. J.
Another question is one of the student is asking that how CPJ college is better than the colleges other colleges in Rohini. To be very precise,
can you please repeat?
This college is better than other colleges in Rohini.
In Rohini?
Yes.
Okay. It is specifically asking about only Rohini.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure that you are specifically asking about IP University affiliate colleges, since there are quite a few, 3, 4, 5 colleges in Rohini and Pithampura and that belt. And one thing, students, no two doubts about the same. I would not like to speak about any other college on this forum at all, but of course would like to speak that what is our edge, where does CPJ college definitely has an edge. जैसे आपके मेरे पहले स्पीकर्स ने बोला, MCIT डिपार्टमेंट के कोर्सेज को स्पेसिफाई करते हुए, लॉ कोर्सेज को स्पेसिफाई करते हुए, that our college literally believes in the holistic development of our students. When we talk of holistic development of the students, what I mean is, it is not just the book teaching. It is other than that teaching. We wish to make our students very, very confident personalities so that the day they walk out with a job in their hand. As I said, job is a guarantee at CPJ. When you walk out with a job in your hand, you're a different person. And believe me, this, as I said, when I started speaking with you, my dear students, जैसे मैंने आपसे शुरू में ही कहा था कि seeing is believing, मतलब इस चीज को मैं तब बोल पा रहा हूँ जब मैंने खुद अपनी आंखों से देखा है कि जो बच्चे ओरिएंटेशन डे वाले दिन यहाँ आते हैं, वो पूरा का पूरा 60 बच्चों का बैच, 120 बच्चों का बैच, DLLB में 180 बच्चों का बैच, वो जो बैचेस ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स ओरिएंटेशन डे पे अपने शुरुआत करते हैं, और 3 साल बाद आपके मैनेजमेंट कॉमर्साइटी या 5 साल बाद आपके लॉ का बच्चा जब यहाँ से पास आउट होकर जा रहा होता है, उसकी कंप्लीट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है पर्सनालिटी में, कॉन्फिडेंस में, थॉट प्रोसेस में. He or she is an absolutely confident individual, knowing where he or she is going to traverse, how he is to handle that, and the belief in oneself, जिसे आप कहते हैं कि strong belief in oneself, that is being built in CPJ drastically in a beautiful way. I would say my compliments to the faculties who are here with me. Ms. Garima Bains herself is a faculty in MCIT department. So is Ms. Isha Goyal, who just spoke with you. So has been Mr. Divya Kataria of the School of Law. Excellent, like their other colleagues who all are in the teaching department, are senior functionaries and all. I, as the Director General, the senior most person in the CPJ college, we are extremely approachable. We are extremely there, hand to hand, absolutely arm to arm, shoulder to shoulder with each and every student of ours. And this is what I feel is our USP, where we look at our students absolutely not just as students, but as a member of the CPJ family, and looking at one's specific, requirements of development, as it requires not just the teaching development, not just the domain knowledge, the content knowledge of a student to be grown, but also the complete personality of that person to be grown, and we work on that. So this is comparing to any other college, irrespective that is located in Rohini, as the student asked, or is located anywhere else in Delhi. I would say CPJ is the best. Yeah. And to be very honest, recently published a BCA survey for India Today has ranked us the topmost in Delhi when it comes to the BCA colleges, in the emerging colleges segment. So it's not just me. No two doubts. All students who will be listening to me would say no two doubts about it, that one's own child always looks the sweetest and the most beautiful and the best in the world. So no two doubts. As CPJ as my own child, it's my own child. So definitely it seems to me the best. But definitely to prove that it is the best, I have a lot of other things which I've just said to you, wherein, independent ranking service by your competition success review, by India Today, by Hansa Week, by Outlook, by Chronicle, all these leading surveys, ranking surveys, which are absolutely being conducted by independent bodies and absolutely confidential that they hold it. Absolutely, we have been coming and have been ranked as very leading top college of Delhi, and that we are, and I'm proud to say that. Yes, Ms. Karima.
Right. The next question is, which is, a lot of queries with the students at times. Like, can I get the admission directly without any entrance examination? जिसकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा goof up हो जाता है.
I'm sorry, I could not listen to you. Could you please repeat again, please?
Yeah, surely. This is, sir, students बहुत सारे doubt में होते हैं कि मैंने entrance exam नहीं दिया. So this student is asking that can I get a admission directly without any entrance exam?
My dear student, I'm very, very sorry to say that. As I said, eligibility criteria में class 12 पे 50% होना जरूरी है, with only very little differences here and there. कि आपका best of 5 commerce BCom के लिए है, best of 4 subjects में BBA, BCom और BCA के लिए है. BCA में आपका maths या कोई और दूसरा subject other than English होना जरूरी है. Law के लिए it's the same 50% in the best of 4 including English. But that is the class 12. Other than that, जो minimum eligibility है, other than that, it's just not possible that you should have registered and appeared for CLAT examination or registered की my dear student date निकल चुकी है. It was 15th of June. Of course, IP University में simultaneous register करने की डेट अभी भी है जो 15 जुलाई है. अगर किसी ने मिस नहीं की है, मिस की हुई है, सॉरी, तो प्लीज 15 जुलाई से पहले आप उसको भी रजिस्टर करिए. You want to sit for your CLAT examination on 23rd of July and simultaneously wish to gain admission in any of the IP University colleges. तो CLAT का लॉ कॉलेज के लिए रजिस्टर और अपीयर होना जरूरी है, और नॉन लॉ कोर्सेज के लिए BCA, BCom और BBA के लिए आपका CET कॉमन एंट्रेंस टेस्ट जो कि IP यूनिवर्सिटी कंडक्ट कराती है, उसमें रजिस्टर होना, जिसकी लास्ट डेट 15 जुलाई है, उसमें रजिस्टर होकर करके क्वालिफाई करना जरूरी है. So if you have missed any date which is only the CLAT date, rest all the other CET dates are very much before you, so that is it.
Thank you, Director General CPJ, for addressing the students' queries. We can close this question and answer round. If you can give us some tips to choose the right course or a career path.
See, I would tell you one thing. I was taking the names because cricket is one thing which is every student would be aware of. उसी चीज को समझिए बच्चों. अगर सचिन तेंदुलकर would have thought to be an ace tennis player, and Leander Pace would have thought to be a great cricketer, I think so they would have not been able to, because उसकी जो expertise थी सचिन की वो उस फील्ड में थी और उनकी टेनिस में थी. So they went in for fields in which they knew that they have an edge. So you have to look into your own edge. मतलब आपकी जो खुद की personal USPs हैं उसको देखिए. आपको लगता है कि आप एक बच्चे हैं जो कि इंटरैक्टिव रहते हैं, आप बातचीत करने में आपको अच्छा लगता है, यू आर क्वाइट इंटरैक्टिव, यू विश टू मीट पीपल, स्पीक आउट टू पीपल, हैव डिबेटिंग स्किल्स एंड ऑल. लॉ इज द राइट थिंग फॉर यू. You think I'm just saying it, to how to choose things. You have to speak to yourself. Until unless you do not communicate to yourself, you do not speak to yourself, you do not have a self-analysis of yourself. आपको अपना आत्मविश्लेषण करना पड़ेगा. हिंदी में से आत्मविश्लेषण कहते हैं. Self-analysis is very necessary for you at this moment, because once you sit in an absolutely cool environment of your house, sit to yourself, talk to yourself, not to be influenced by any yourself, that okay, where does my edge lie? And you will feel that let me pick this because my edge lies here. Rest, I'm available to you. You can visit the college any point of time. I'll give my personal time to you and can always guide you and counsel you. So one has to analyze oneself very much, choose the course in accordance, because every course has its own expertise, and one has to look at where does one really wish to further, tread towards in one's life while making one's career. Yeah.
Mr. Chaturvedi will definitely again repeating it to the audience, that follow your dreams and follow your aspirations. Once everything will be, sorted and, it will be there. Just need to be very clear with your thoughts. On this note, we'll be coming to our last segment. Students, as you know that these webinars are being conducted for you specially, so that आपको एक पूरी clarity मिले कि कौन-कौन से courses और कौन-कौन से institutes हैं जो ये courses provide करते हैं, right? So we are not saying that join hands with CPJ, but believe me, students, that you should take, because we know that youth are taking their own decisions with the wisdom and the knowledge which they have. But let me tell you that if you are interested in taking admission in CPJ, CPJ has been offering various opportunities for our young participants. Because it's very important, जब हम एक चीज start करते हैं तो हमें उसके बारे में सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए. We need to know each and every bit of it. So we in CPJ, which is a gateway of knowledge, and are offering a lot of various opportunities for our young 12th aspirants. So let's have a look on that. So the first and the foremost thing is that what are the unique opportunities at the rate CPJ we are offering? We are offering scholarship to meritorious students, series of career counseling webinars, free CET CLAT coaching, regular updates, one-to-one counseling, online competitions for 12 students, unique opportunity to secure admission, book a campus visit with CPJ. Let's have a look on them one by one. The first and the foremost thing, CPJ is always, believe in appreciating and rewarding the students who have worked very hard in their, studying period. So be it वो हमारे semesters में हो जहाँ पे हम scholarship students को provide करते हैं, या वो 12th के students को who was actually, performing pretty well. And since we know that 12th exams is being, was in controversies because of the pandemic and everything, but still our college is providing a meritorious scholarships. For that, you need to visit our college. You can contact our admission counselors and expert counselors, जिनके नंबर अभी भी आपके चैट बॉक्स में है, और अगर अभी तक आपने उन्हें कॉपी नहीं किया, सेव नहीं किया, तो प्लीज डू सेव इट. The second and the most important opportunity which CPJ is providing is that series of career counseling webinars. This is an initiative under our corporate social responsibility, जहां हम अपने कॉलेज को प्रमोट नहीं कर रहे, बट हम ये प्रमोट कर रहे हैं कि हर एक युवा पीढ़ी पूरे क्लैरिटी के साथ अपना फ्यूचर चूज करे. बिकॉज we understand and we ensure this क्योंकि 2030 जब 10-9 साल बाद will be turning to 2030, our country will be the youngest country in the world. और वो youngest country के youth जो अभी मुझे सुन रहे हैं, they need to decide that how they need to take our country forward, and for that appropriate career according to their skill set, not based on pressures, not based on कि मेरे दोस्त ने ये course लिया था इसलिए मुझे लेना है, but should be based on the wisdom, knowledge, and the dreams which they wanted to aspire and wanted to go through it. For that, the series of career counseling webinars is being conducted. अगर आपको इस सीरीज या कोई career counseling webinar या कोई ऐसी information है Instagram या कोई ऐसी admission information है, if you want to see that what all we are providing it, जो हमने अभी तक बोला है, वो सारी चीजें आप हमारे Facebook अकाउंट, हमारे Instagram अकाउंट पे हैं. You can visit that also, and you can follow us. Every update you can easily get with that one click. Moving forward, a very important thing. अब एंट्रेंस एग्जाम देना जरूरी है, ऐसा हमारे डायरेक्टर जनरल सर ने भी एड्रेस किया था. And it is important to clear the CET and CLAT with flying colors. But obviously, मैं बहुत doubt में रहते हैं. Everybody is in doubt, and students are not aware that how we have to go ahead, how we have to do it. So, to make it easy for students, we are initiating a free CET CLAT coaching for 12th appeared students. उसका link students अभी आपके chat box में है. आप उसमें अपने आप को enroll कर सकते हैं. That is a free CET CLAT coaching. You need not to provide. You need not to pay anything for the coaching. But yes, a nominal 500 amount need to be paid for all the study material for CLAT. In जिसमें हम आपको e-notes, PPT, previous years question papers देंगे. Not only that, our college will be organizing the mock test, and that too the mock test जिस तरीके से CLAT का और CET का actual में entrance exam होगा, that real-time experience will be given to you in CPJ. Every detail will be provided to you on time to time. Weekly notes, doubt classes will be there. So grab this opportunity, because this will help you out in getting the best college and choosing a best career for you. So, and once you will be choosing a best career, you need to clear this basics, that you need to clear CET for your management, commerce and IT course. You need to clear the CLAT examination for law. The next important thing, regular updates on GGS IPO and admissions. We are providing the regular updates to all of our students who are associated with us, related to admissions, related to the counseling processes which will happen in near future in IIT University. बहुत सारे counseling processes होते हैं, dates होती हैं, वो सारी चीजें छोटी से छोटी information से लेकर important and crucial information तक सब कुछ आपको provide होगा. Most importantly, मैं as a student I'm in doubt what to do, what not to do. मैम आपने तो हमें courses के बारे में बता दिया है, but मैं still एक confusion, एक dilemma में हूँ, मैं कौन सा course choose करूँ. For that, we have offered one-to-one online counseling by our experts. जिसके अंदर you can call our experts telephonically. Zoom video call पे भी conversation one-to-one counseling होती है. You can visit our college for that one-to-one counseling. जिसके अंदर our admission experts will tell you, looking at your skill set, looking at what you are aspiring for, they can give you a right guidance towards your choosing a right course for you. Then comes the most important and the most vibrant part of our unique opportunities. That is the online competitions at CPJ clubs. We have fine arts club, we have fashion club, music club, photography club, dance, literary club and drama club. हमने जब पैंडेमिक स्टार्ट हुआ था मार्च 2020 में, तो we understood the concept that students' life was becoming very monotonous. बहुत boring life हो गई थी उनकी, classes and everything, but there was nothing spark and nothing creativity was there. So the club had decided that let's have the online competition, not only for our present students but also for the 12 aspirants who are there and who want certain time out for their own self. So for that, these all clubs are getting a lot of and preparing a lot of things for you, and there will be a lot of online competitions which will be coming in near future. And for keeping this intact, you need to follow us on Instagram and Facebook for the same, so that every link, every information should be provided to you there. Apart from that, the winners will get the Paytm vouchers. So ये आपको creativity ही enhance नहीं करेगा, but also आपको आपके pocket money को भी थोड़ा uplift कर देगा. So you can easily spend more money. जो आपको pocket money restrict कर दी गई है because of recession and the COVID which is taking place, and parents are saying that you need to stick with that money only, they can easily enhance it. So do grab this opportunity and do follow us on Instagram and Facebook for the same. Then the last and very crucial part, unique opportunity to secure admissions. See, so students, my lovely audience, CPJ is offering the admission against limited seats. Looking at your skill set, looking at your whether you are keen or towards the certain courses, we are offering the admissions but to the limited seats. For that, there is a proper process and procedures which you need to follow, but that is to a limited seats. So please avail this opportunity, because it's a first come first serve basis. Everything, the interviews, everything will be taken care by the college. You need to come to the college, visit our college, and the processing will be done accordingly. You can visit our campus Monday to Sunday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. हमारा कॉलेज सातों दिन खुला है 10 बजे से लेकर 5 बजे तक, जहां हमारे एक्सपर्ट काउंसलर्स आर रेडीली अवेलेबल फॉर यू to clear all your doubts and queries. You can actually see whatever we have shown you on through videos or through our discussions or our interaction in this webinar for 1.5 hours. You can actually come to our college and you can feel that warmth and vibe which we are providing to our students. So it's not like that we are promoting, but it's actually which we are providing to our students. Most importantly, the important dates for CET and CLAT, that is the registration of CLAT was already ended 15th June 2021. Now the registration of CLAT in GGS IPU is 15 July 2021. CET CLAT एग्जाम डेट इज 23 जुलाई 2021. तो जिन भी बच्चों ने अभी तक CLAT की कोचिंग में अभी भी वो कंफ्यूज हैं कि कहाँ क्या करें, please join us because our expert faculties are providing you in-depth knowledge किस तरीके से exam pattern कैसे होगा. We are providing you the mock test for that, and you know the schedule of mock test will be released soon on Facebook and Instagram. People do that, and for any information and query, please be on the chat box. The link of the CET and CLAT coaching is there on the chat box. Don't miss the opportunity. Then registration of CET will be till 15th of July, and any time after 15th of July, the CET exam date will come. Going to the next segment, unitedly we stand at CPJ. ये सिर्फ हम बोलते नहीं, but actually में हम करते हैं. Students की query से लेकर students के student community को ध्यान से nourish करना is our responsibility and accountability as an educator. And we took it because in our front, because this is our youth who will be creating our country's future. With this note, now I request Ms. Bhumika to kindly share with us the eligibility criteria of GGS IPU with all of us with short video, so that every student can able to understand what are the eligibility criteria in Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. Over to you, Ms. Bhumika.
Welcome to Chandra Prabhu Jain College of Higher Studies and School of Law. The college is offering undergraduate courses in
Welcome to Chandra Prabhu Jain College of Higher Studies and School of Law.
BCom Honors,
The college is offering undergraduate courses
LLB and BBA
LLB. The admissions are carried out strictly on merit basis through a common entrance test conducted by Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University for BBA and BBA CAM, BCom Honors and BCA. The admission is
and BBA LLB are
carried out merit basis through a common law admission test
National Law University
of
and
National Law University and
LLB and BBA
LLC and BBA eligibility criteria for various courses of management, commerce and IT courses, Bachelor of Degree Administration in the 3-year degree program. Candidates must have a minimum of 50%, best of 4, including English.
10+2 Bachelor of Computer Application is a 3-year program. Candidates must have a minimum of
Candidates must have a minimum of
best of 4 including
50%.
English as a language. In the
English as a
qualifying
language.
examination
In the
10+2 with
qualifying
maths or
examination 10+2
information
with
practice,
maths or
computer
information
application,
practice,
multimedia
computer
and web
application,
technology,
multimedia and web
management
technology,
application,
data
web
management application,
as one of the
web
compulsory
application,
subjects.
as
BCom
one of the
Honors is a
compulsory
3-year
subjects.
degree
BCom
program.
Honors is a 3-year degree
Candidates must
program.
score at least 50%.
Candidates must
Best
score
of
at
5
least
including
50%.
English.
Best
And the
of 5
qualifying
including
examination. 10+2
Examination.
eligibility
10
criteria
plus
for
2
law
eligibility
courses
criteria for law courses BA, LLB and BBA, LLB are 5-year integrated
Candidates must have a
programs.
minimum of 50%.
Candidates must have a
Best
minimum
of
of
4,
50%,
including English.
best of 4
In the qualifying examination 10+2.
in the qualifying examination 10+2.
So students, this is the eligibility criteria of GGS IPU for BBA, BCA, BBA CAM. You need to have a 50% aggregate with the 4 subjects, minimum 4 subjects. For BCom Honors, in total of 5 subjects, you need to have 50% of aggregate, and you need to clear CET examination. And for that, we are offering you the free CET and CLAT coaching to grab the opportunities, because if you'll not grab the opportunity when it is there, उसके बाद हम ये कहें काश मैं कर लेता तो शायद वो काश कभी नहीं आता. The time will never return. So in that note, please do avail this opportunity. It is very, very, beneficial for all of you. Moving towards our last segment. अब सारे मेरी student audience ने इतनी मेहनत की है, they have copied the link and they have attempted the quiz, and now it's the time for the reward thing. So on this note, I request our Director General, Mr. Yugam Chaturvedi, to kindly announce that किस 2 students की pocket money increase होने वाली है. So, Mr. Chaturvedi, please tell who is the runner-up winner who will be getting a Paytm voucher worth ₹500.
Definitely, and many students they did participate in the quiz. But as it is said, you have to have one runner-up and one winner. This was dependent upon the time consumed by a student answering. This is based on that, and the runner-up, Miss Garima, is Miss Ritu Kumar. Congratulations, Miss Ritu.
Okay.
Yeah, Miss Garima.
Congratulations, Ms. Ritu. And the winner of this career counseling webinar who will be getting the Paytm voucher of 1,000 rupees is...
That is Miss Ankita. And congratulations, Miss Ankita, for having given the answers in the shortest possible time.
Congratulations,
Miss Ankita.
Congratulations, Ankita. Congratulations, Ritu. Now we have come to the end of the webinar, and I also believe that the closing should be filled with memories which are very close to our heart. So on this note, I request my technical head, Ms. Bhumika, to kindly share with us the cultural and the vibrant journey of CPJ College. So I request Ms. Bhumika to kindly share the last video of today's webinar, and that too the cultural video of CPJ College. Over to you, Ms. Bhumika. So this was a very wonderful glimpse of our Diwali Ullas festival, which we are conducting from 2007. And every year we ensure that, the team from outside should come and perform. And this was a Tamasha band, which was a last event which took place in our campus before lockdown, and that too a cultural event which took place before the lockdown. It was the end of this webinar, and if Mr. Chaturvedi, do you want to say any closing remarks to our lovely audience?
I would, first of all, I would definitely thank College Dunia for associating with CPJ College for organizing this wonderful webinar where we had a galaxy of smart young students with us. And I'm pretty sure that our objective of giving them information as how to discover their career options after class 12 is well met today. Of course, there were certain technical glitches, but as it is said, certain things you don't have your controls on, and they never happen by choice, they happen by default. So like barring that, I'm pretty sure all other things have gone off pretty well, and all the students would have definitely benefited out of it. And since this is the very first one, my dear students, you would be getting registration links for our forthcoming webinars also. And I would only say that definitely do join them as well, because that would be adding on to the information that we have already shared with you, and would definitely add on to whatever that you have already registered with yourself. Simultaneously, as Ms. Garima has already shared with you, you would have already noted down our numbers and our links, etc. You're most welcome to contact CPJ College on those numbers, through those links, and definitely our admission help desk sources, our counselors at the admission cell would be there to help you out towards each and every query of yours. At the same time, would request you to kindly pay a visit to our college. As I said, having a feel of the place where you're going to be deciding to kind of have your graduate studies. It's always good to have a feel of that campus and to have a feel of the campus, you must visit the campus as well. And immediately you can do is to register yourself for CET and CLAT coaching classes, which the college is imparting free of cost to you. And that is an opportunity which should definitely, put and pursue it. And this is what is my sincere advice to you, because cracking CET and of course coming out in flying colors in CLAT would be an added advantage for you for the gaining admission at CPJ College, associated, affiliated with IB University and approved by the Bar Council of India. So thank you so much, my students. Thank you so much, Ms. Karima. Thank you all over again to kind of give the concluding ribbon to it. And no two doubts, we would be continuing, my students, with this webinars, and it would be adding more information, knowledge, and more content to you to kind of discover your career options and kind of decide that what path you need to be taking on to study for your undergraduate program, and of course to make your career in that particular field. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, the lovely audience, and thank you, everyone. Stay safe, stay happy, fulfill your dreams, all the best, and stay vaccinated. Thank you so much, and have a nice evening ahead. Thank you. Bye-bye.